Shoprite Next Capital is dedicated to empowering and growing local, commercially viable SMMEs as part of our ongoing efforts to give small suppliers access to our consumer market. We focus solely on small suppliers and enterprise supplier development, ESD. Shoprite is the first retailer in South Africa to introduce an exclusive private label product range, called Homegrown, which is locally sourced from primarily small, medium and micro enterprises. If you have a small local enterprise with an annual turnover of 5 million rand or less, and a one-of-a-kind product to sell, you're invited to join the largest supplier network in Africa. Get your product on our shelves. Before applying, it's crucial to understand Shoprite's supplier requirements and expectations. Shoprite looks for suppliers who can consistently deliver high-quality products, demonstrate reliability, and align with their business values. The main criteria include: quality assurance. Products must meet Shoprite's quality standards. This involves ensuring your goods are safe, reliable, and adhere to regulatory requirements. Capacity and reliability. Suppliers should have the capacity to meet Shoprite's demand consistently. Reliability and delivery schedules and quantity is paramount. Competitive pricing. Shoprite values competitive pricing to offer the best deals to its customers. Ethical standards. Suppliers must comply with ethical business practices, including fair labor practices, environmental sustainability, and corporate social responsibility. Preparing your business to become a potential supplier. You must first prepare your business to meet Shoprite's standards. Here's how you can get started. Quality certification. Obtain relevant quality certifications such as ISO, CCP, or any industry-specific certifications that demonstrate your commitment to quality. Production capability. Ensure your production capabilities can handle large orders and that your supply chain is robust enough to maintain consistent delivery. Financial stability. Shoprite may require financial statements to assess your business's financial health and stability. Product testing. Conduct thorough testing of your products to ensure they meet both regulatory standards and Shoprite's quality benchmarks. The application process. The process to become a supplier for Shoprite involves several steps. Below is a detailed outline of the application process. Initial contact. Visit the Shoprite Supplier portal and register your interest. This involves providing basic information about your business and the products you wish to supply. Submitting your proposal. Once registered, submit a detailed proposal that includes your product details, pricing, production capacity, and any certifications. Ensure your proposal highlights why your product would be a good fit for Shoprite. Evaluation and assessment. Shoprite's procurement team will evaluate your proposal. This may involve product testing, site visits, and a review of your production facilities. The evaluation aims to ensure your products meet their standards for quality, safety, and reliability. Negotiation and contract. If your proposal is successful, Shoprite will engage in negotiations regarding pricing, delivery schedules, and terms of the contract. Be prepared to discuss logistics, payment terms, and any other relevant details. Onboarding and integration. After finalizing the contract, you will undergo an onboarding process where you will integrate your supply chain with Shoprite's systems. This includes setting up electronic data interchange, EDI, for order processing and delivery tracking. Key considerations for long-term success. Becoming a supplier for Shoprite is just the beginning. Maintaining a successful partnership requires ongoing commitment and adherence to several key practices: consistent quality, continuously monitor and maintain the quality of your products. Regular audits and quality checks will help in maintaining high standards. Reliable delivery. Ensure timely deliveries as per the agreed schedule. Consistency in supply chain operations is crucial for sustaining a long-term relationship. Open communication. Maintain open and transparent communication with Shoprite's procurement team. Promptly address any issues or concerns that arise. Innovation. Stay innovative by regularly updating and improving your products. Shoprite values suppliers who can bring fresh and exciting products to their shelves. Compliance. Adhere to all contractual obligations and regulatory requirements. Non-compliance can lead to termination of the supplier agreement. Frequently asked questions. Can I become a supplier if I am not VAT registered? Yes, you can still register/apply to become a supplier without being VAT registered. A certified copy of the owner's identity document will then be required. Can I become a supplier if I am food safety compliant? If you are a food supplier, you will have to be food safety compliant. We have a team of food technologists who can offer guidance as to how to get your premises food compliant. Do I qualify to become a Shoprite SMME supplier if I import my products and resell them to the South African market? The SMME program is aimed at growing the South African economic sector, and therefore we aim to list suppliers who produce and source products locally. Imported products can however still be listed via our normal listing channels. Do I qualify to become an SMME supplier if I do not have a BB certificate? You can still qualify for the SMME program if you do not have a BB certificate. Simply go to your nearest police station and complete an affidavit to confirm your BB status. Now that you have all the insight, you are ready to start your journey to being a successful Shoprite supplier. Sign up, apply and become a Shoprite seller today. For more information, visit the Shoprite Supplier page. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful articles.